guys, so I'm so excited. I got my kids in the car for the first time, and we're going to, where are we going? And my mom's here and my niece is here. We are going to Dollar Tree and Five Below. So do you guys, right, so DJ and my niece and mamas are in the second row, and then I don't know if you can see Mr. Pie and Bowie are in the third row. So we are in the third row. So how do you guys like your new car? Hello.
How you like the new car? Our mommy said.
Yo.
Yeah, this is so
do y'all like the new car?
She said she liked the car.
Look at it's your car.
I like it so much.
Are y'all excited?
Yes. Mama.
Well, I'm excited. Woohoo! All right, let's get it.
Bye-bye.
Put your seatbelt on, my boy. Hey guys, so we made it to Five Below. My mom's gonna stay in the car with the girls because Bowie and Mama's fell asleep. So my niece, Kiana, DJ, and Paul are gonna come inside. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, anywhere.
Oh, sorry.
Where do you see fridge? Oh, I thought you told me they have fridges for sale. They been had that. Yes. I thought you would say that they have fridges. I say what? Ooh, table tray.
Mom, look at my weapon.
I wonder. I was gonna say I will get this table tray.
Mom, look at my weapon. Here, pull it, don't pull it.
What the heck is this? Oh my gosh! Sorry. Look at these chairs. How much are these chairs? Alright. I like those chairs. What do you see, Paul?
Mom, look at me.
What? Hey, smooth guy. Rawr. Alright, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan.
I remember over there that basketball.
What is that?
It's like a little flowers in it. I don't know how.
Complete grow kit. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, I gotta come back. I'm gonna come back for these. I definitely am, so that they can outdoor serving tray. I haven't been in Five Below so long. What the heck? Guys, I only came here for a charger. Well, they got slippers in here.
Oh my goodness.
Out of here. Ooh, those are cute. Yeah, I like those.
Okay, we're good though. Oh my god, I'm already looking for stuff.
DJ! It's you! Ooh, look at
Let me
this.
show you the back today.
Wait, because I want to go find the chargers. Remember, that's what we came in here for. Chargers.
I'm still gonna look at everything else. Capybara?
What?
I need this, y'all.
Yeah, I think they do. They should.
Yeah, I need this. Look.
What's your sign? Nah, I don't like none of that stuff. Nope, I don't like none of that stuff. God is within her. Budgeting 101. Ooh, I want this. Budgeting 101.
Okay, I'm gonna get 3 things. So these slippers.
Becoming me. Color journal brainstorming. Ooh. All right, Kiana. What did you say you was looking for?
iPhone 12 case.
Oh, look at this. Pa, you got something? That's what you want?
Yeah. There's like a water bottle.
That what you wanted? Uh-oh. Oh, this one need a tripod.
Well, that has something to do with it.
No, I don't see them. But there's cups over. Oh. I don't need a long one. 4 feet. Found the charger. They're all 4 feet. They don't have the really long ones. I see, boo. I see, Pa. What is it? No, you don't. That's an AirPod case. Come on, let's go sort the toys. Come on, put this back. Let's go find a toy. And then we're about to go in. Oh, I need a mount for the car. What is that?
It's a mini fridge.
Oh, what?
A mini fridge.
They have them here?
Yes, look.
You're lying.
Look. You won't break past them. Yeah, they.
Oh, they have fruit fridge.
So I just need to sponsor.
Sound top wireless speaker.
And plus, now, but no, I think all the movies right now we need to go to class.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta put something back then.
Yeah.
You gotta put something back. You gotta put this back if you want this. Oh, they do? Put this back. Oh, your finger. Finger stuck. Okay, put that right here. Mommy's gonna buy you that, okay? Where you at? Was it water bottles?
Should I get this one or this one?
Oh, she hitting that. She hitting that. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Which one?
This one. Never mind, I found one.
Wait, let me
This is
see.
glittery. It look.
I don't know which one I
Oh
want.
my god. Probably a little big. She want to buy everything. Oh my
I
god.
know, we gotta get out of here.
If I keep looking, I'm gonna buy some else.
I want this.
I can't stop looking.
I like this.
What else do you? No, we don't need this, baby. Put that back. You getting that cup?
Yeah.
All right, that's what I'm gonna get your grandma. This.
Right. Come on, Paul.
I got myself
Kind of
a
candle. Ooh, let me smell it.
It smells so good. And she said there's like a body wash too. That
Oh my
smells exactly
gosh.
what she's about to get it.
This smells so good, guys. Smell like candy. All right, she's giving her another one to smell. Paula, show them your toy. Oh, that's from Toy Story.
They have a peach one and a kiwi one, but that's my favorite one.
I'm about to buy this too. This one.
You're about to buy that one? Let me smell it. All right, so the lady that works here gave her another candle to smell, and now she wants to buy it.
Let me smell it.
Mm,
Oh, you smell good?
that smells so good. Yes. Oh my god.
There's a peach and a kiwi one too.
This one's peach mango.
Ooh, Auntie.
Oh my, yeah, don't buy no more. That's it. She let her smell another one.
But it smells
So good.
It's only $5.
Oh my gosh. These smell freaking good. All right, when I come back, when we come back, we're coming to get we're coming to get some candles for the house, okay? Next time. Okay, ready, guys? Oh, and this is Booey's chair, guys. It has like legs to go with it, so it's taller. Because I had bought her a chair already, but she said it's too small for her, so.
And now Mama's
Next. Mom, where are you? Oh, there goes my mother. We're in Dollar Tree, guys. Oh, look at all the Easter stuff. We left the kids in the car. My niece is with them. Because they were sleepy. Oh, let me go get me a cart.
Need to get this from my plants. Maybe to stack them.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I want to get them, the kids.
That's good, right?
The one next to my house, they don't have this $5 section or $3. Well, it's $3 plus section, $3 and up. So, look at that. Ooh, boy will love this. $3. Let's get it. Let's go. I was about to say a 3 and up section over there. Look at this for Bowie. Okay. And I'm about to go look over here. All right, another 3 and up section. Look at that. I need another pillow in my room. Let's go. We need this pillow. Oh wait, I don't want that pillow. Do I want this pillow?
Vinyl used to be expensive for the cricket thing, but now they got it here.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Different colors, all different colors. So. I keep seeing stuff.
What? Look at that. They got tumblers. This is all the stuff they have at Five Below. It's like they went to Five Below, bought all this stuff, and just brought it in here for $5. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Loving it. Ooh, candle. I don't want to get candle. But these are nice. I do need. Alright guys, so this is what I got for the car. I got this car seat organizer. I got this LED wheel cover. I got this clutter-free auto back seat organizer. And I got a car mount. So yeah.
Nice and cold too.
Wait, you can't find it?
No.
But it should be in one of the bags.
It's in the Dollar Tree bag.
She's trying to move the jacket.
I mean, what's that thing for? That's attached to it.
It's an LED light.
It is.
Yeah. I don't know how it works, but that's what it is. Guys, we got our phone holder. So we're going to Golden Corral because my mom has a discount for it. What the heck? Come on, guys.
Come on. We got that.
Still videos. And my wife's home by herself.
Dad?
Pa. I stared at people. Stop. Alright, so we're waiting for the server to bring us a high chair from Mama's. Mama, say hi. You got your food? Say hi, Pa. Boy, say hi. Mom, say hi. DJ, say hi. Hi, mamas. Pa already got his second plate. Boy still eating her first plate. DJ's on her second. Right, this is your second, right? And I'm on my second plate. That's what you want. You gotta look at everything. Make sure it's what you want. That's the one you want? You want a chocolate cake? Okay, this is me and Mama's dessert, guys. We got fudgy brownies, apple pie, bread pudding, ice cream, and chocolate chip cookies. Real big bag. Pa got ice cream.
I want ice cream.
You want ice cream? You ate your chocolate cake? Boo already ate her chocolate cake. And DJ got ice cream. Alright, hey guys. Hi. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got from Dollar Tree and Five Below. So I'm gonna start with Five Below because my mom didn't go in Five Below, so. Okay. I got this tumbler.
Oh, that's
so
cute.
pretty and pink. Cause I got my mom one for her birthday from Walmart, and I had ordered two so we could match, but they only brought one, so I just gave her one. So I got this one.
Yours is bigger than mine. You know. I still got my black one.
Hyper Quench. I got me a tripod because I needed another one because mine broke. Cat toy. This is for my sister. She has cats. So she needs some cat toys. It's like a fishing pole.
That's cute.
I love Five Below, y'all. I got this charger, Starburst. This is for my sister too, for her cat. Cat brush. Oh, this is DJ's. This is what he wanted. Power bank and portable fan.
Cool.
So I guess is it a charger?
Yeah.
Okay, overcharge protection, foldable design, fan, a wrist strap
to it.
so he can charge it and cool his phone down. Why did he want this so bad? I don't know. Another charger. Yes, we need a lot of chargers in this house.
Yeah.
I got socks. Pack of 5 socks. These are, let me open it for you guys to show you.
Because I'm gonna get a pair.
Got you your own socks.
Oh. Those are cute.
I love socks, guys. Like, I like slippers. I love slippers, but I like to walk around the house with socks on. So, and these are my mom's socks because I always steal her socks. Fill them.
Oh, these are nice.
They're soft, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so I got more from Five Below, but the kids already took some of their stuff. Mr. Paul got a toy, Bully got a chair, and I already showed you what DJ got. So yeah, Mama's is knocking on the door. She's like, "Let me in." Come on, Mamas. Hi, Mamas. You want to see what we got? All right. So let's see what we got from Dollar Tree.
Ooh.
Ready?
Pause it.
Alright guys, so Dollar Tree. This is what I got. Pillows, because I needed some new pillows on my bed.
Is it Dollar Tree Plus?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
It's from Dollar Tree Plus, guys. I got a gray one and a black one.
Oh, they're so soft. I gotta give me some. They had all different colors?
Yep. You didn't see them?
No, I missed it. So you came and told me, you know, we had to hurry up, so.
Guys, so I got this for Mama's.
What the hell is that?
Look, that yours? Scared of it. Oh, Mama's is scared of it, guys. Show YouTube your toy. Show YouTube your toy, Mama's.
I think she's just tired.
Yeah. You sheepy? Yeah, Mama's a sheepy. Oops. Okay, so this cup is for Mama's. I got this cup for Bowie because she loves unicorns.
Oh, that's cute.
So, yes. That's Bowie's. Mama's. Paul already has his cup, so I can't even show you guys the cup. More socks for me and DJ to split. Oh, I got DJ this shirt.
That's cute.
This was in the plus section. The 3+ section. Cause we went to a different Dollar Tree. Like the Dollar Tree that's around us, they don't have shirts, pillows, any of this stuff. They don't have the Dollar Tree Plus. So
yeah,
we were super
in
excited.
The ghetto. The ghetto don't have nothing.
Okay. Alright, so I got this for my car. Leather wipes. I got the kids some bath toys.
Rubber duckies.
Rubber duckies and rubber frogs. Oh, this is another bath toy, a shark. Because that's their favorite thing is the bath time, to be honest. Oh, I got these brain freeze,
a whale.
free dry. Oh, that's a whale? Oh, it was a shark.
It's a whale, me.
Oh, that's a whale, guys. Alright, I got these freeze-dried candy. Rainbow Crunch.
I gotta try one.
I know these are going to be so good.
I love freeze-dried.
Yeah, freeze-dried candy is so good.
It melts in your mouth.
Mama's is like, ooh, you got a bath toy?
But she's throwing all the stuff on the floor.
This is for one of the kids.
What is it?
Some type of toy. Alright, and I got a whole bunch. Well, I think I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 of these magic towels. It expands in the water. So I got 6 of these. Whoops. I got 6 of these. They have like a Superman one, Superman washcloth. Wonder. Wait, is that Wonder Woman? Wonder.
That's Wonder
Woman. Wonder Woman. Peppa Pig. Yeah, so I got 6 of these. And I got lens wipes for my glasses because my glasses always need to be cleaned. Literally always.
Yeah, mine's favorite.
And then last thing I got is this laundry detergent. This was $5. He's coming to show you guys something that he got with his own money.
Okay.
Alright, guys. This is what I got for my grandma's birthday. Because I never got her a present.
Show them.
Guys.
He bought that for his grandma because she's a Pisces, so he got her a Pisces. What is that, necklace?
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
Aww.
That's so sweet.
Sweet baby.
Thank you. So,
Okay.
these mini muffins, chocolate chip. I love muffins, so this is what I got. Muffins. I got some Mary Janes. These are old school. I love Mary Janes.
What the heck? Why is this?
Mama's through it. She don't like it.
Where's the other things?
I got me some
You're
vinyl
gonna do a
because I
video.
just got a cutter.
All
It's
right.
kind of like Cricut, but well, it's like Cricut, but it's not Cricut. It's a little cheaper. So some vinyl. It's what color is it? Vinyl paper permanent.
Sweet dry candy.
Don't say the color, but it's blue. I think it's
I was about
blue.
to say it looks like it's blue.
I got me a little book for organize a planner.
Show them.
Yeah. And I just got a notebook that says it's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
I know you're gonna sing that.
It's a vibe.
And that's not it. I got another bag.
That was so ratchet.
It was.
Lemon, where's mine?
This is your shirt.
Where's my little phone thing?
I'm trying to find it.
So I bought some of these cinnamon crumb cake bites. These are good. Anything like from Cake King, they're usually pretty moist, so I know I like these. I usually get the cornbread ones, but they didn't have any. And then, oh, this isn't mine.
Oh, that's mine. Okay, guys, so I got this for Bowie. This is easy to mold Beyond Dough. What is this actually? Well, Bowie can make ocean friends. I have 6 colors of play clay, 3 play clay tools, 8 googly eyes. So yeah, because Bowie's very creative. She likes to do stuff like this. Her and DJ. So I'm gonna let them do this.
And got more vinyl. Pink. Glittery. It's a glittery pink one.
Show them.
Yeah.
What? That's red.
So my mom's very creative. She's gonna be doing some
And this
creative
is a
stuff.
regular, like a pale pink.
Why is my pink?
And I got me these Yardley disposable washcloths.
My friend made that.
It's good. I always want to stay fresh. Especially when you're big, you gotta get in the creases and stuff.
What?
Oh, another one. Another one.
Nice.
No, Paul, be careful.
I got me some of these yogurt covered raisins.
All right,
These are
go in
good.
there. Grandma's doing a video.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let me just go.
And I got me some Arizona gummies.
For real?
Green tea fruit snacks.
Let me show them. Have you guys tried this Arizona gummies? I wonder how those will taste.
This the flavors is original apple, mandarin, and plum blueberry.
Yogurt
No
covered
preservatives,
raisins.
no synthetic colors, no artificial flavor. And I know this isn't my Ninja Turtle.
I knew I had more stuff from Dollar Tree. This is for Paul. Y'all know. Whoa, that free candy got my throat. Y'all know he's obsessed with dinosaurs. So this is a Smasher Jurassic Light Up Dino. Over 5 surprises inside. And look at how it comes. Like, I know he guesses he's gonna be so excited.
And this is a coffee for my daughter.
I did buy this. Okay, I got this from Dollar Tree. Because this was only $2.50 at Dollar Tree. If you go to any other store, these are like $5. I was like, let me get one.
And I got our usual Yandy's candies. Yandy's candies.
Yandy's candy, she loves these. Those are mine.
And yeah, I know those are good. And that's it. Oh. And I got some Celsius Sparkling Orange. Essential energy accelerates metabolism and burns body fat. So that's what I got.
That's everything you got?
Yep, that's it.
Alright guys, so that's everything that we got from Five Below and Dollar Tree. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thanks for coming with us to go out to eat and to shop. And we will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye my love.